Hello everyone, welcome to the Simple Spark YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered how magnets work or why some metals stick to them while others don't know? Today we are diving into the fascinating world of magnets, what they are, how they work, and what makes them so magical. Let's get started. A magnet is a special material that creates a force called magnetism, a force that can pull or attract certain types of metal. But did you know that magnets were discovered thousands of years ago? According to legend, magnets were first discovered in ancient Greece by a shepherd named Magnus. While walking through the mountains with his sheep, he carried a stick that had a piece of iron on it. One day, his stick mysteriously got stuck to a rock, and even his iron tipped boot clung to it. That rock turned out to be a natural magnet and it attracted iron materials around it. This curious rock is what we now call magnetite, one of the earliest known magnetic materials. Magnets attract certain types of metals, but not all of them. The most common magnetic materials are iron, nickel, and cobalt. So, if you hold a magnet near a paper clip, it sticks. But if you try the same with a wooden pencil or a plastic spoon, nothing happens. Why? Because materials like plastic, wood, glass, and aluminum are non magnetic. They don't contain the elements needed to react to a magnet. Magnetic materials include objects made of iron, nickel, steel, or cobalt, like nails, screws, keys, and even some types of coins. Non magnetic materials are made of things like plastic, rubber, glass, wood, or aluminium, like rulers, buttons, and soda cans. A fun experiment at home, take a small magnet and test it on different objects. You might be surprised what sticks and what doesn't it. Every magnet has two poles, a north pole and a south pole. Here is the fun part. Opposites attract. That means north pole of one magnet is attracted to the south pole of another. But try putting two North Poles together and they will push away from each other. This is why when you move magnets close, you can feel them either pulling or pushing without touching. That invisible force, that's magnetism in action. Not all magnets look the same. There are many types: bar magnets, horseshoe magnets, disk magnets, electromagnets. Even the magnets on your fridge are specially made to be flat and flexible. Magnets are everywhere in our daily lives, from simple toys to complex machines. They are inside headphones and speakers to produce sound, used in MRI machines to look inside the human body, found in credit cards, motors, generators, and even train systems. So, next time you use your phone or listen to music, thank a magnet. Magnets are powerful, fascinating tools with invisible forces that shape the world around us. Let's learn some fun magnet facts you might not know. The Earth is a giant magnet. Yes, our planet has a magnetic field that helps compasses work and even protects us from solar radiation. Maglev trains float using magnets. These superfast trains use magnetic repulsion to hover above tracks and glide smoothly at high speed. No wheels needed. Some magnets are natural rocks. Rocks like magnetite have magnetic properties and were the first magnets ever discovered by humans. So, what did we learn today? A magnet pulls certain metals using invisible force called magnetism. The first magnet was discovered by Shepherd and was actually a rock. Magnetic metals include iron, steel, nickel, and cobalt. Non magnetic materials like plastic, paper, and wood are not affected. Non magnetic materials like plastic, paper, and wood are not affected. Every magnet has a north and south pole. Opposite attract and likes repels. Magnets do not need to touch, their force works through air, paper, and more. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.